General Francis Atwoli earlier presided over the official opening of a joint NHIF-COTU meeting at the Tom Mboya Labour College in Kisumu. Let's take a listen to what Dr. Atwoli had to say.
And again, that the only areas of our concern as workers, we don't have those fat bank accounts where we have our money, and when we are sick is NHIF. NHIF and NSSF, they were put in place as first pillar in both medical and social security insurances to look after workers in the Republic of Kenya. And that is why we have been appealing. These are owned by poor Kenyans. Politicians, medical facilities owned by politicians should not take a center stage, and companies owned by politicians should not take a center stage to be given priority instead of us using public institutions so that we can be able to keep our money. And I want to repeat again, I said as I advised the board under the able chairmanship of Madam, that let us have budget allocation for enjoying. When you have a big function like this, you pay for life coverage. When the chair was talking, you know, our views were very pertinent and very corrective, with corrective measures that the board has taken to correct the past. But that will not be known by most of contributors if we don't use the media properly.